So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have the 3D view here on the Realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on search, and once you're on the search screen, as you can actually tell, I do have the satellite view selected rather than the 3D view. Now if you want to go ahead and change that, it's super simple. On the right hand side of your screen, sort of in the bottom area, there's three different circles. There's a circle that has a finger drawing. There's also a circle that has like a location, and then above that there is a black circle with sort of two squares inside of it. So what you want to do is actually press on this one right here to open up this option. And as of right now, for me, satellite view is selected, so I'll unselect that, and then go to the top right here. I'll press on 3D view. I'll make sure that that is checked right here, then press on apply just like this. And there you go. Now we have the 3D view actually selected here in regards to the location. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to have the 3D view here on the Realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.